Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals, the vanilla ice of crypto, the Ric Flair of crypto. Woo! In the house, guys. Hopefully you guys are having a great day. We got a really good video for you guys today. What the heck is going on with Dogecoin? What the heck is going on with the crypto space right now? This seems to be, in Asia anyways, in Asia it's just a really bad day. Everything's going down, down. So, guys, should you be panicking? Should you be selling everything? Should you be selling all of your altcoins, moving into Bitcoin, or should you guys be cashing out? We're going to talk about that and more. And remember, none of this video is financial advice. This is just the OG in the house, the Ric Flair of crypto, the vanilla ice of crypto, the OG, the G to the O. Let's go, guys. Let's get it, guys. So it's a great day to be alive. And remember, none of this video is financial advice. This is just the OG in the house expressing his opinion. And this video is for educational purposes only. And remember, watch out for nasty scammers in the contents, guys. And let's get serious for a second. We've seen that so far September has been pretty down. We had that flash crash. Things have been going down, but overall, you guys, please don't panic. Things are going sideways. Yes, I know it's frustrating. Particularly for the new investors who have not been in this market or in this business very long. You guys, I know that you guys love to panic when things don't always go up, and you can just see that. Overall, the views are down. When the markets are down, the views are down, and the negativity out there, the negativity in YouTube land is just going up and up and up. So guys, you have to really keep the positive vibe. Remember, never ever trade with emotion. This is bad news, guys. Don't trade with emotion. Remember, never ever invest more than you can lose, guys, and never use debt or refinancing to buy crypto, because it's a sure way to just be in a bad place, guys. So you need to have positive mental energy. You need to look at the history. You need to zoom out. When the trend is right, definitely you want to zoom out and take a look at the markets from where they have been at the beginning of the year to now, like for Bitcoin, for Dogecoin. Sure, there's some consolidation, and we're going to jump into the chart. We're going to jump into TA, and there's some positive news around there, but right now a lot of the positive news is being overshadowed by the negative regulation, and then just people are just feeling not so positive right now because they see things going down. And if you look at it, things are actually really not going down that much. So let's jump into content without further delay. And let me just get my face out of the way so you guys can see more of this beautiful content. So before that, I just want to welcome some new subscribers. These subscribers, they subscribed from the last video. That was like 20-30 minutes ago. So I just want to give a big shout out. I love the support that I'm getting. And I love all of you out there. I love the members, David Ricine, Dustin Green, Kate, Dragon, all my moderators out there. I just want to say I love you guys. So let's welcome new subscribers in the house: Arbas, Juliet, Mopar, Quam TV, Trading Photos, Salif, and D, and Mad Hawa Udagada. Brother, if you're watching, don't beat me up. I'm sorry I destroyed your name there. But it's a beautiful time to be around, and it's a beautiful time. So let's look at the Doge price right now. So let me just give this a quick refresh. Yeah, the OG, I'm still in lockdown here. I'm kind of on my balcony here. It's like 75 days now. It's driving me crazy, guys. And we're still waiting for vaccinations to come out. We signed up, we're waiting, but it's not happening right now. So we're still waiting for that. So hopefully it'll get done soon. So you guys can see that after the flash crash here, we can see that Doge has just been going sideways. It's going sideways. Sure, we're seeing a bit of a drop today, but it's nothing really to panic about. And you can see here more clearly on the 4-hour chart. You can see right now that Doge, it's been going sideways. Since the flash crash that we had on September 7th, it's just kind of been range bound between 25.4 and 22.91. Now today it has dropped below the 23 cent support line, and it went down as low as 22.24, and it's bounced up there. So this is showing that we got some really good support there, and it looks like the Elliott wave pattern formation is not playing out as we predicted. I was really hoping that we could definitely be going up, with Dogecoin, but it looks like we're going down. So, we're going to talk about why that's happening, what does that mean to you, and what you should be doing right now to avoid, all the negativity. I mean, when you see something like this is absolutely, and this represents around about a 4% drop today on the 4-hour. What you should be doing right now is dollar cost averaging, and then you can set ladder buys here at 22, set at 20, set at 18. That's what I would be doing, and that's what I am doing, and set one down at 17. I think the lowest of lows that we could see is 18.6. So that's what I'm seeing, and the reason that Dogecoin is dropping is not because of any fundamentals that are bad with the Doge. It's really just because Bitcoin is dropping, all the markets are dropping, and we're also seeing that the Bitcoin dominance is moving, so more and more people are selling some of their altcoins right now, because some people are saying that the whole altcoin, all the altcoins are going to drop pretty soon. And remember, we had BitBoy, Ben Armstrong. I love Ben, but he was saying that the Bitcoin top is happening in 2 weeks. I don't believe that. I'm on the opposite. I think that September is going to be really bad, and we're going to see us closing September a lot lower for Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all the other coins that we've been talking about. It's going to be closing a lot lower than where we were last month, with the exception of some projects like Avalanche. Solana could giddy up. Algorand looks like it's getting ready to pump, and it's primed to go. And also, other coins like Atom and FTT look like they could be set to prime and pump. And don't discount BNB. BNB looks like it also could be making some moves soon, because MM Crypto was also saying that BNB could be making some moves. So guys, take a look at that. And so don't panic about Doge. Doge is still, I know it's like, what the heck is going on? What the heck is going on? And a lot of you are even say, where's Elon? Where's Elon and all this thing? Well, Elon, he's not doing anything right now because he's busy with the SpaceX and also the SEC. Gary Gensler in the house has kind of said, you got to desist on that. So with that being said, guys, don't forget to smash the likes. Tell the YouTube algorithm that you love this content. And the only way you can do that is take this thing, there's an icon down there, and smash it. And subscribe, do it right now. And, before we go any further, just in case you guys don't know, go to the description of every video. I've got links, guys. I've got a link to Zen Music Addict. Guys, check out Zen Music Addict. We're going to jump into the news in a minute. We got more to talk about. Subscribe BYB right now. It's the wife's channel. I got a chill for the wife. And guys, become Patreon members. Buy the channel coffee. And please do become channel members. Do it right now, guys. So some news that's coming out right now is, a leading market pundit tells what to expect from Dogecoin if it gets a secondary use case. So, a secondary use case is like utility, all of that. And, what does that all mean, secondary use case? So we're seeing that, Solana and Cardano are been taking the spotlight right now, and they've hit all-time highs. And, market observers are still dropping interest dropping interest takes on Dogecoin. So a lot of interest on Dogecoin has been dropping recently. The meme coin has not been getting a lot of public attention. Yeah, because people have been distracted with Solana and ADA smart contracts. And now we've got Avalanche pumping. So a lot of people are just like not paying much attention to Doge. But still, the young people, Doge is still out there. If you look at the amount of interest on social media, yeah, it's been flat, but it's coming back, guys. It's coming back. Also, we've got the Floki coin, we've got Shiba Inu coin. All these other coins have been also taking the spotlight from the Doge. But the Doge is a pure Doge, and we got this Doge 2.0 that the foundation are going after them, and I think they're going to be filing a court case after them for trademark infringement. So, there's been a lot of attention away from the Doge, away from Doge, and also the SpaceX has also been taking some attention as well. So, however, Doge reporters are key figures in the industry and still have their eyes peeled for Dogecoin that's going to record significant. So Elon is still there. We got Mark Cuban. We've got tons of people. In this regard, the CEO of Pact Protocol, who is also a Forbes Financial Council member, took to Twitter to note that Dogecoin still has room to flourish if it gets significant use case. So don't discount the Doge. If Doge gets significant use case, it's going to be going bigger and bigger, and it's going to be getting higher and higher, guys. So in order for a Dogecoin to attempt to offer another use case, the network must identify a significant value, and bring that market as a competition to continue to get stronger. So it needs to have another use case. However, a switch to POS chain could also come in handy with accelerating Doge or market dominance. And Vitalik, he's also said that we're going to be building the Ethereum bridge. We could be switching to POS. And when that happens, that's going to be bringing more and more use case. And once we have smart contracts, we can build dApps, apps, and DEXs on top of it, similar like Solana. And Solana is being popular because it's being used as a medium of exchange, guys. So I really think that don't discount the Doge. With Vitalik in the house, things are absolutely going to be pumpity for Doge in the future. And I still see, 94 cent, $1.30 Doge incoming. So don't discount the Doge, guys. So don't panic. There's still a lot of people that love the Doge. I love the Doge. It's a real good coin, and it's a real good community, and it's about spreading love. And the fees are low. I've talked about that. It's much cheaper than Bitcoin. So guys, don't panic. What the heck is going on with Dogecoin? Nothing's going on right now. It's just kind of going idle, and it's because the markets are down, guys. So some other news that's incoming right now. So VanEck seeking to offer Solana ETF in Germany, and Germany is pretty crypto friendly, so probably there's going to be a Solana ETF coming out soon, and that's going to definitely pump Solana, and this is going to be Solana summer. Has turned into institutional fall, as VanEck is one of the large ETF issuers, prepares Solana ETF in Germany. So it's really good. It's too bad that the Bitcoin ETF and all the other ETFs that have been filed for with the SEC in the U.S. have not been approved, guys. And I don't know what's going on with Gary Gensler in the house. He's just either he doesn't want to do it or he's dragging us free. But we really need to have ETFs for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptos, because that will allow other people who don't want to get into like the wallets and the Coinbases to buy ETF off exchanges and stuff. So we really need the ETFs. So Solana's look like it's just rocking the house right now. Some other news that Bitcoin has already won. Soon the price will reflect that. So you can see that the monetary network already provides freedom to millions and will only continue to grow. And I believe that. Bitcoin has won. There has never been a more secure, scalable, valuable, transportable, decentralized network asset in all of humanity. And that's Bitcoin. That's why Bitcoin is going to explode. The supply is scarce, it's deflationary, and it's more mobile than gold. It appreciates faster than property. Its supply is fixed, unlike stocks and bonds, and its payment network is faster and cheaper than Visa. That's true, guys. It's faster and cheaper than Visa. And if you look at Bitcoin, every year Bitcoin on average increases 200%. Where can you buy property that increases 200%? What kind of asset can you currently buy that increases 200%? So it's just great. Its user base is growing faster than internet, and it's true. The cryptocurrency space and Bitcoin and Dogecoin is growing at an alarming rate. It's growing faster than the internet adoption rate that happened in the 90s, guys. So its market cap is on the shade of over $1 trillion, and it has enormous potential for upside. And so this is really good. But the skeptics just keep beating up with the same old FUD, and FUD after FUD. Guys, don't listen to FUD. Remember, a lot of the whales, they spread the FUD, and they do that because they want retail investors to get scared and sell your coin to the whale. Stop feeding the whales, guys. Just stop it. Some other news that's coming out right now is, why is it ideal to accumulate Bitcoin and Ethereum right now? Well, it's ideal to accumulate because during crypto bear markets, things will look grim, scary, but it won't be anything compared to the stock market. So when we have the stock market crash that's coming soon, and this is probably going to be time with the crypto bear winter, you're going to see that the stock markets are absolutely crash like crazy. But it's still a good time to accumulate these coins, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano, because they're a good hedge against deflation, guys. And we're seeing that the deflation overall in the U.S. is going to be huge, and it's going to send the stock markets crashing, and it's just going to be a total bloodbath out there. So the only things that you should be accumulating is Bitcoin, Cardano, and other top 20 coins, because this is a huge hedge against inflation right now. So you guys should just be thinking about, if you're investing for the next 10 years, short-term crashes and opportunities are no threats. So that's the thing. You need to ask yourself, are you a short-term holder or are you a long-term holder? So if you're looking at a 10-year time frame, investing in these things now there's going to be ups and downs these, but if you're taking a long-term vision on these things, buying now and hodling for long-term will absolutely result in life-changing wealth. It will create life-changing wealth, guys. I mean, if you're just in it for a short period of time, 1 year, 6 months, yeah, okay, it's scary. But over the long period, diamond hands, dollar cost average, hodl, and not sell. Sure, we need to take some profits along the way, but when the OG takes profits, I take profits to buy into more projects, guys. So just keep that in mind, that it's a great time to be dollar cost averaging and hodling, guys. So let's take a look at Bitcoin price. So Bitcoin right now is at $45,313 right now, and yeah, it's going down. It's dropped considerably. It's down almost 3.99%. We had a high of 47,000, and right now we're down to 45,000. So it's not looking good. That's why you're seeing Dogecoin dropping right now, and Dogecoin is dropping, as I said. That's because Bitcoin is dumping right now, and a lot of that is also because we have these. These options have expired, and also too, you also see a behavior every Monday. You see that a lot of whales dump their coins to send the market down so they can buy up more coins cheap. So this is also a little bit of the Monday whale manipulation time in the house, guys. So don't panic too much about it. I wouldn't panic too much. So if we look at Dogecoin on the 4-hour time frame, you see Doge is just Bitcoin. So right now we can see that on the 4-hour, Bitcoin has just had a huge dump, guys, a huge dumpity dump, and it's going down, guys. And we've got some really good support at 44,600, 44,500. So we're probably definitely going to be going down to that level, guys. We got a huge rejection here. We got a huge rejection here. So we're probably going to be testing these levels right here at 44,700. I think we're going to be going down to 44,700. And remember that Plan B said that we could see Bitcoin closing out at around about 43,000. So this is a really good time to go bargain shopping. Don't panic. Don't panic. I know you guys saying, what the heck is going on? What the heck is going on? This is just the calm before the storm. Do not worry. I think that we're going to, once it goes down here, we're going to have like an S recovery, and that's going to take us up to the next leg. So don't worry about it. So let's take a look at the fear and greed index right now. Let me give this a minty refresh. Minty refresh in the house. So, this morning we were at 53. We've now dropped down to 50, and that's because we're getting a big pullback in Bitcoin, and that's dragging down all the altcoins. And we're also seeing the dominance go up as well. Let's take a look at Ethereum in the house. Ethereum has done exactly the same thing that frog in a throat. Ethereum has done exactly the same thing as Bitcoin, and we're seeing here about a 4.2% drop. Bitcoin has done about a 3.9% drop. So we're seeing that Ethereum is trading at 3,189. We have some support here at 3,165. It looks like we went down, and we went down. We wicked back up again. So we'll keep an eye on that, because if we continue going down, then our next support level is at $3,000, guys. So just keep an eye on that. Don't panic. If you see things going down, things will definitely pump back up. I think we could see, this is a huge descending triangle that's formed right now. That's going all the way down. A huge descending triangle that's going all the way down from the top here, and it's going all the way down here. And this could definitely end up in this direction here, guys. It's pretty clear to me that's what that is. And yeah, it kind of goes in this direction here. And let's see if we can break out of that. So we're definitely forming a huge descending triangle. That's definitely a bullish pattern long term, but in the short term it's not looking pretty good, guys. So don't panic, buckle up. Let's take a look at Cardano in the house. It's doing exactly the same thing. I did tell you this morning that if we could be breaking down to $2. It looks like we're heading down to $2. And once again, this is also not looking good for Cardano right now. Also, we're seeing the whole thing with VET. Everything is breaking down because Bitcoin just took a huge dump. Now, interestingly though, if you look at that candle for Solana is also down 6%. but we're still getting some support at my $141 line. So keep an eye on that. I think we're going to see some huge support there, and let's keep on keeping. I don't think we're going to see as much of a dramatic drop that Bitcoin is having right now. So that's positive news. Some other news also: Avalanche is also tanked too. Avalanche is down now 8%. So basically, all the markets are just going down, guys. So I'm going to do some research and find out what's going on, but the information I have is that whales have sold off some of their Bitcoin to drive the price down because they want to pick up Bitcoin around about 43,000. So I think we could see Bitcoin going down to, we could see Dogecoin going down. Probably, we could see it going down to around about 22 cents. But Bitcoin right now, you could expect it to go down as low as 44,600. So I think the whales are pushing it down. So don't panic, guys. Don't panic. So with that being said, guys, let's take a look at the market marks right now. So right now the market cap has dropped considerably. It's dropped almost 7 billion in a very short period of time. Is at 2.06 trillion, and the volumes are 66.28, which is pretty light. But my Bitcoin DOMS is coming up, guys. So it's looking pretty bad right now out there. So it's pretty much a bloodbath in the crypto space, and I know a lot of you guys panic. Don't panic. This is a time to go bargain hunting, and we're going to look at some huge opportunities, some huge bargains in dollar cost average time, guys. So right now Bitcoin is trading at $45,597, and we're down 5%. Ethereum is trading at 3,195. That's down 6.6%. ADA has just gone down almost 9%. That's $2.16. We could be going down to $2, guys. BNB has dropped below $400. That's a critical level for BNB. If we can't get back up above $400, we could be seeing ourselves going down to 350 very fast. We're down 4% right now. Solana in the house is dropping like a rock. I'm sure glad I got out of some of my positions yesterday. And right now Solana is at down 11.2%, and that's at $146. So I have my line drawn in the sand at 141. So let's keep an eye on that. I think we can stay above that. And Polkadot is down right now 7%. That's at 31.69. And my Doge in the house is down 7.6%. And that's at 22 cents. So let's take a look at the Avalanche is also down as well, 64.72, and that's down 7.68. Yeah, I mean, I'm not going to recommend you pick any of that up. It's still too high over the last 7 days. Luna, you could probably think about picking up some Luna. It's down 15% over the 7 days. Also, we can take a look at Link. Link is also a good pickup right now. LTC, I don't like it. Algorand, definitely a good pickup. Algorand, with that $100 million of fund that just got invested in by Sky Capital, definitely something to look at. The Scaramucci in the house has just dropped $100 million on Algorand, so I think this thing is going to pump. Later this week, end of the week, when things start to go back to normal. Now, Atom is still pumping, guys, and I did tell you guys again to Atom, even though the markets have corrected down, Atom is on fire right now, so that's really good news. Matic, pick up some Matic. It's down 1.9% for the week. So FTT, pick up some FTT. This is not financial advice. It's also looking pretty good, guys. And also VeChain's a good chance to pick some up, guys. So with that being said, guys, let's take a look at the OG portfolio in the house. Remember, this portfolio is not for financial advice. It's just an OG expressing his opinion. And if you so choose to copy any part of this portfolio, you do so at your own risk. So right now, even though we've had this topsy-turvy, this big almost 6% correction today, we're still seeing that my portfolio is up 47.75%. So that's not too shabby. So all the people that said the OG know nothing, the OG know nothing, here's the proof right now that I know what I'm talking about. So all the haters out there, all I was going to say is, and show some love to the haters. They need love. They need more love than we do, because they're just not happy people. So let's make them happy, right? Let's make them happy. So right now we've got $2,411 worth of profit, and our portfolio is still up. We invested $5,000 July 2nd, and we're up $7,410. So we're still not doing so bad, guys. So with that being said, guys, don't forget to go to my portfolio in the house. Follow, and let's help get these followers up. I'd like to see $3,000 coming in soon, guys. And if you're not getting notifications from YouTube, follow me here. You'll get the notifications. I'm also giving out news, tips, and tricks. And guys, I love you guys. Remember, one final thing. Tell the YouTube algorithm right now that you love this channel. Smash the likes. Go down there, smash the likes. Subscribe, BYB. Do it right now. And don't forget to check out all the description of my videos below. Go to Zen Music Addicts. It's a wife's channel. Subscribe right now to Zen Music. I do it now. Buy the channel a coffee. Buy the channel on Patreon. Become a channel member. All of this goes to charity. Goes to the orphans. It helps feed the homeless here in Vietnam. And don't forget to check out my merch one last time. We got hats, we got hoodies, we got t-shirts, all sorts of great stuff, guys. Check out the merchandise. You know you want it. And we've also get the mug. Get the mug, get the backpack, get the pillow, guys. And I know you guys are not feeling pretty good, but don't panic. The markets are going to bounce up faster and higher. Remember, September we're going to close lower than we did last month, so don't panic. I just want to say I'm working for you. I love you guys. This is the OG, the vanilla ice of crypto, the Ric Flair of crypto. Woo, in the house. Guys, God bless you. Be well. I'm working for you. Without you, without my beautiful community, this channel will be nothing. So I just want to say God bless you all. I love you guys. Don't panic. Please don't panic. And if it's driving you nuts, close your computer. Stop looking at your portfolio. I'm out of here. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye, good night, good evening, good morning. I love you.